Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. Do you waste a lot of time doing things the long-winded way? In today's session, we're going to look at some of the features in Outlook and Teams. And by the end of the session, we will know how to share emails, conversations between Outlook and Teams. We'll look at the different approaches to scheduling meetings. So if you're ready, let's do this. We're currently logged in as our normal user, and we have an existing conversation going on in Teams. We need to share it via email. Click the three dots and choose Share to Outlook. And let's share it with our colleague. Let's check Outlook to have a look at that email. And then in Outlook, Ronnie has a separate email exchange going on, and we want to share that conversation to Teams. And we can choose to share it to a channel or to a private chat. And this includes any attachments, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check Teams to have a look at that message. And we can see the attached file down there at the bottom. Another thing we can do is drag an email attachment straight into a Teams conversation. Fantastic. And it's also worth pointing out this little Teams menu here. Some really good options here. If we're already in Teams and want to have a quick meeting with someone, we can go to our calendar and click the Meet Now button. We can start the meeting, invite others by sending the link, or if they're in our organization, we can simply do a search and request that they join. And we also have the option to schedule a meeting from here, just like we do in Outlook. And the calendar in Teams is the same calendar that we see in Outlook. And in Outlook, if we lose the ability to schedule Teams meetings, we may need to re-enable the Teams add-in. So there's our button for the Teams add-in. And if we want all of our meetings to be in Teams, back to Options. On the Calendar tab, we see an option to make all of our meetings online meetings. And we're going to tick this box and choose Teams. And whilst we're here, we can change the default duration for our reminders. Now, if we schedule a normal meeting, it also is a Teams meeting by default. And we can see our default reminder. Until the next episode, we are done.